In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your local storage in Clipchamp. If you've ever wondered how much space your projects are using, why your editor might be slowing down, or how much free storage you have left, this quick guide will walk you through everything step by step. Monitoring your local storage in Clipchamp is especially important if you work with large video files or edit frequently. And as always, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Clipchamp tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. It doesn't matter whether it's a new project or an existing one. Once you're inside the Clipchamp dashboard, simply click on a project to open the editor. This will take you into the main editing interface where you normally add media, trim clips, and make your edits. Make sure the project is fully loaded before moving on to the next step. Once you're inside the project editor, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a settings option there. This is where Clipchamp keeps important configuration details related to your editing experience. Go ahead and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. It's usually represented by a gear symbol, which is standard across most applications. After clicking the gear icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings. This will open a new panel where you can adjust various preferences related to your Clipchamp account and editing environment. Take a moment to notice the different categories available in the Settings panel. Next, inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Local Storage. Go ahead and click on Local Storage. As soon as you open it, you'll be able to see detailed information about your storage usage. This section shows you how much local storage Clipchamp is currently using on your device, how much free space is remaining, and other related data. This is especially useful if you're experiencing performance issues or if your browser is running low on space. Clipchamp stores temporary files and cached media locally to improve editing speed, but over time, these files can take up a significant amount of space. By checking the local storage section, you can quickly understand whether storage limitations might be affecting your workflow. If you notice that your available storage is low, you may consider clearing unused project files, deleting unnecessary media, or freeing up space on your device. Keeping an eye on this section regularly can help ensure smooth editing performance and prevent unexpected slowdowns while working on important projects. And that's it. That's how you check your local storage in Clipchamp. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in managing your editing performance and staying organized. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow Clipchamp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.